Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Gyrotech Nabco 129082 ball detent panic assembly. And this video is to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. We've got a piece of aluminum here with what appears to be very likely obviously a steel bearing. Part of it might be stainless. Obviously the the bracket is aluminum. That nut on there is going to allow you to adjust that to suit your requirements, to suit your margin of what you're dealing with. This is going to be for the 1100 slider ball detent panic assembly. Should you need to break the door open, this is going to be part of the assembly therein. Overall width of the bracket, about 1 inch. Overall height, about 2 inch. Overall projection, about 1 3/8 inches. Okay, and of course we have our threaded ball catch that's in here. Okay, mounting screws or anything like that is not included with this. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Gyrotech Nabco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Gyrotech Nabco 129082 GT ball detent panic assembly or any other Gyrotech Nabco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.